Welcome to the future of artificial intelligence. xAI's Grok 3 has just landed, and it's making waves as one of the most advanced AI models ever created. Built by Elon Musk's team at xAI, Grok 3 promises to push the boundaries of reasoning, creativity, and real-time problem-solving. But what makes it stand out? And where does it fall short? Let's dive in. First, let's talk about what Grok 3 brings to the table. This isn't just another chatbot. It's a powerhouse trained on the colossal Colossus supercomputer, packing 200,000 NVIDIA H100 GPUs. That's 10 times the compute power of its predecessor, Grok 2, making it lightning fast and capable of tackling complex tasks in seconds. So, what can Grok 3 do? Here's the rundown of its standout features. Advanced reasoning with Think mode. Grok 3 doesn't just spit out answers, it thinks through problems step by step, showing its logic like a human would. Need help with a maths puzzle or coding challenge? It's got you covered. Deep Search. This is Grok's secret weapon, a next-gen research tool that scours the web and X in real time, synthesizing info and verifying facts on the fly. Big Brain Mode. For the toughest queries, this mode ramps up the compute power, delivering deeper, more accurate responses. Real-time integration tied to X, Grok 3 pulls live data, keeping it up to date on news, trends, and more. Multimodal capabilities. It's not just text. Grok 3 can analyze images, generate visuals, and soon, even handle voice commands. Massive context window. With 128,000 tokens, it can keep long conversations coherent, perfect for research or detailed discussions. From coding a Tetris game in minutes to summarizing breaking news, Grok 3 is built to handle it all. Now, how does Grok 3 stack up against the competition like OpenAI's ChatGPT, Google's Gemini, or DeepSeek's R1? Here's where it shines. Top-tier reasoning. Early tests show Grok 3 outperforming rivals in math, science, and coding benchmarks like AMA and GPQA. It even hit a groundbreaking 1400 ELO score on Chatbot Arena, the first AI to do so. Speed and efficiency. Thanks to Colossus, it's 3 times faster than Grok 2 and beats tools like Perplexity and data retrieval speed. Transparency. Unlike some black box models, Grok 3's chain-of-thought reasoning lets you see how it thinks, building trust and aiding learning. Truth-seeking Edge xAI calls it maximally truth-seeking, designed to cut through bias and give unfiltered answers, even on spicy topics other AIs dodge. Take coding, for example. Experts like Andre Karpathy say Grok 3 nails complex tasks that stump models like OpenAI's O1 or DeepSeek R1. It's a game-changer for developers and researchers alike. But no AI is perfect, and Grok 3 has its limits. Here's what to watch out for. Factual hiccups. Deep Search is fast, but early users spotted minor inaccuracies in data retrieval and citation errors, something xAI is still refining. Reasoning gaps. While it excels in structured logic, Grok 3 can struggle with super complex or abstract challenges compared to OpenAI's best. Accessibility right now, it's locked behind X Premium Plus or a Super Grok subscription. £50 a month isn't cheap, and free access is limited. Unfinished features, the Think mode isn't fully tested, and voice capabilities are still in the works, leaving some potential untapped. It's a beta product, so expect some rough edges, but xAI promises daily improvements. So, is Grok 3 the smartest AI on Earth, as Elon Musk claims? It's close. With unmatched reasoning, real-time smarts, and a bold approach, it's a serious contender in the AI race. Sure, it's got kinks to iron out, but its potential is undeniable. Whether you're a student, a coder, or just curious about the universe. Want to try Grok 3 yourself? Head to xAI's site or X Premium Plus to check it out. What do you think? Will Grok 3 redefine AI? Drop your thoughts below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech deep dives. Next up, how AI is changing the world in 2025.